Hey guys, Yana Speaks here, and in this video, I'm basically going to show you how I was able to shorten my period, okay? And I actually kind of did it on accident, and I've been testing this for like the last 3 months, so I'm pretty confident that this works, okay? And not only have I been able to see success with it, but other people have as well. Okay, so let me explain how this whole thing even happened. So my goal was to actually get rid of my menstrual cramps because I have very, very bad menstrual cramps and I always have, okay? And my menstrual cramps got better when I went on birth control. I was on the IUD years ago. Um but then after a while I started having a lot of back pain. I was gaining a whole bunch of weight and I just didn't want it anymore in my body. And I'm sorry this person just keeps texting me. Yeah, so I didn't want it in my body anymore. So I was like, let me just get rid of the IUD. So I got rid of it and it just caused me a whole bunch of problems. My cramps got worse than they were before I was even on it. My skin broke out. I started to develop like high pigmentation in my skin and like melasma. So I started having like darkness right here, and it was like way darker than my complexion, so it just looked crazy. So I was like, nah, like I gotta figure this shit the fuck out. I gotta figure it out. So I started doing more and more research, and I stumbled across this girl's page. Her name is Boss Lady on Instagram, and she spells it like not Boss Lady. She spells it like in a special way, and she posted a picture of her skin, and she had like high pigmentation. She had, acne scars, things like that. She said she had since a kid, and she started taking this product, and it literally like faded away most of her hyperpigmentation and her acne scars, right? Then I started to see other girls who were talking about taking the product and how they no longer had menstrual cramps, that their period was lighter. So I was like, okay, I gotta try this shit out because I gotta see for myself because I'm tired of every single month being in pain. Like I complain about it all the time because it literally stops me from being able to do the things that I need to do, like my business, going to the gym, things like that, right? So the product that I'm actually going to talk to you guys about, and let me say something, right? Yes, I am with this company, and yes, I am a distributor of this company, but I'm only a distributor of this company because the product actually worked. Like I would never become a distributor of this company if the product did not work. And yes, I'm going to show you the product. And yes, in the description, there's going to be a link. If you want to purchase it, you can purchase it. And yes, I will get a commission for it. But let me tell you this. If you believe that I am only promoting this product to get a commission, I will tell you this. You can literally go on Google, search the company yourself, and buy the product from another link. Don't even buy it from mine if you feel that I'm only promoting it for that reason. I believe in this product so freaking much because it really has helped me a freaking lot. Okay, so I just had to say that. Total transparency. If you think I'm full of ish, lying to you, whatever, just get your money. Like I said, go on Google, look for the company online, and buy from another link, right? But if you want to support me for just helping you out to shorten your period, then you can purchase the product from my link, okay? So let's get into it. So the product is actually the ISOT, but it is the CBD one. This one is the regular one. I'm talking about the CBD one. Now, I ran out of it because I literally took my last 2 sachets of it yesterday. And I placed the order this morning because I really believe that at the ISOT with the CBD in it, which is the hemp extract, really helped me to shorten my period. And I'm going to tell you why. This is my 3rd month on it, right? The first month on it, what I noticed was that I still had cramps. So I wasn't one of those lucky women who, didn't have cramps anymore. I still had cramps my first month of it, okay? But what I did notice, my period is usually 5 days. The first month that I took it, my period was 4 days. I said, okay, 1 day less. Okay, that's cool. All right. Second month, my period was only for 4 days. Still had cramps though, but I wasn't complaining because my period was only 4 days long. This month, do you know how many days my period was? I got my period, I believe, Wednesday night. Yesterday, right? All day yesterday, I'm using the bathroom, I'm cleaning myself. I don't see any blood. And I'm like, okay, sometimes this happens with my period. Like, I may not see any blood, whatever, but it will come down again in a couple of hours. But usually, even when I don't see my period like that, if I like take like a rag or something and I kind of like hold it down there and I kind of like press on it and like kind of like hold it for a couple of seconds and then I look, I'll see like some type of blood residue or something. I saw nothing. Like, I was like, nah. Okay. Took a shower last night, and not to be like all graphic and stuff like that, but when I, take a bath or whatever, shower, whatever you want to call it, I use the washcloth and I wrap it around my finger and I cleaned up there, okay? And like I had it up there for a while, I was holding because I wanted to see if I was going to see some blood. I look, no blood. I'm like, okay. Today, same thing. Get up in the morning, pee, whatever, wipe myself, no blood. Take a shower, wipe myself, no blood, right? I literally took the rag, put it around my finger, stick it up there, hold it for like a couple of seconds, like just waiting to see, like, okay, look, no blood. And I'm like, yo, my period was only like what? Like, I got it like, I believe late Wednesday night. Yesterday was Saturday, so it wasn't my period like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Not even like 3 days, maybe like 2.5 days, like this is blowing my fucking mind. Like, I'm like, is this fucking possible? Okay, and I'm gonna be totally transparent with you guys. Like, the first day of my period, I had cramps, okay? And they were like how they normally are. Second day, still had cramps. Had to take some Tylenol. So the cramps have not gone away for me, but other women have reported that their cramps are gone. So it just lets me know that this tea makes everyone's body react differently, right? So my cramps are not gone, but my period is shorter. So I'll take that. I'll bear having 2 days of discomfort to only have my period for 2 or 3 days. I'll take it, okay? Because the way my cramps are set up, I'll be in pain. I'll be miserable for those days, okay? So I really, really believe it's the ISO tea. Like, I really do think so, with the hemp extract, okay? I really, really do believe that because I just noticed like my period was different. Now, another thing that I have been taking from the company, and I don't know if it's the combination of the supplements that I'm taking and also the change in my diet, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit more, but I've also been taking chaga to help boost my immune system, okay? It says that chaga has a numerous amount of vitamins and minerals, and it is the most densest source of vitamin B5, which supports your adrenal glands and digestive organs. And so I've been taking this because they said that this really helps to boost your immune system. Okay, I've been taking the liquid multivitamin to help me boost my immune system as well. Another thing I've been taking this for a while, is my black seed oil. Black seed oil literally helps to cure everything. Like, anything that's wrong with you, black seed oil is going to help you, okay? So I've been taking that. I've been taking my fish oil supplements, okay? I've been taking my probiotic, okay? And I like this one because this one is made for women, okay? I also take this liver edge supplement, which strengthens your liver and your gallbladder functioning. And the reason why I take it is because it has mixed thistle in it, dandelion root, and a couple of other things. But I take this for my digestive system because I do have digestive problems. Now, another thing I also take for my hormones to fix them from the bad effects that birth control had on my hormones is I take them, okay? And I've been taking this because Dr. Jolene recommended it to help women to fix their hormones. And then another thing I have been doing as well is seed cycling. And if you don't know what seed cycling is, you basically should get on Google. It'll explain it way better than I can. But let me tell you something. I also follow a gluten-free diet, and I don't eat dairy like that, right? I took wheat out of my diet, and yeah, that's what I've been doing, drinking a lot of water, right? But let me tell you something. I was following a gluten-free diet. I was eliminating dairy since last year summer, and I was still having menstrual cramps, and my period was still heavy, and my period was still 5 days a week. The only thing that I have changed in my regimen was taking the ISOT with the CBD, okay, the NutriBurst. Well, I've been taking the NutriBurst, but I wasn't always taking it consistently, and taking if I can get it, taking chaga. Okay, these are the 3 things that I added to my regimen, and I don't know if all 3 are responsible for the period being shorter. I don't know if it's just the tea being responsible for it. I don't know if it's like the tea and the combination of all these supplements together, but I can tell you, ever since I started taking these 3 supplements, my period has been freaking shorter. So I strongly recommend the ISOT with the hemp extract. And like I said before, total transparency here, right? Yes, if you buy it from my link, I am going to get a commission, right? If you think I'm just promoting it because I want to get a commission, look, go on Google, buy it from someone else. Get it through another link if that's how you feel. But I would really appreciate if you buy it from my link though. But I just wanted to share that because I know there's a lot of women that struggle with their periods, and I'm gonna document my progress. Maybe because this is my 3rd month using it, like maybe by like the 4th or 5th or 6th month, maybe the menstrual cramps will go away. I'm hoping so. I'm also testing another product from another company, and I'm gonna do a review on that once it comes in. It's also a product that's made with CBD. And one of my followers actually recommended it to me. So I'm just waiting for that to come in the mail. And once that comes in the mail and I test it out, if it works, like I will definitely share it with you guys, because I am tired of using Tylenol. I'm tired of having to take 8 baths a day just because I have my freaking period. Like, yes, it's that bad. Like, I'll be in so much pain that I literally have to like sit in a warm bath like 6 times a day when I'm on my period, just sitting there in pain to just ease the cramping. Like, I can't do it anymore. And it's like, it's gotten worse as I got older. You know, I've been really struggling with this thing. So the fact that my period was so short, like I can't fucking believe it. But anyways, I just want to make this quick video to share that with you guys. And I will see you in the next reading. Bye. Not the next reading, next video. Bye. Anyways, whatever.